IT sector backed by the US labor data has given hope for the Indian market today. As you can see, we have seen one of the biggest rally in the last 5 months where Sensex has gone up by almost 2000 points just today. There is a lot of news about SBI, Plus Industries and NTPC's newest IPO. Let's talk all about it in detail. Hey guys, welcome to Post Market Report. And as you can see, today we have seen one of the biggest rally backed by IT stocks, and one of the main reason behind it is the US weekly job. So basically, what happens every Friday, US basically posts a report that consists of all the jobless claims, as in how many people are unemployed and what is a basically confidence in the consumers. I'll just show you guys a chart of the last 2 years over here. As you can see, we had seen a very steep decline over the first half of 2024, but it seems to have picked up. You notice how the consumer confidence is going up, and even the jobless data is down almost the lowest in the last 7 months. So this is clearly a very good indication. So we notice our stocks, here's a top gainers list in the IT sector. You see TCS, which is up for about 4%, Infosys up about 3%, Emphasis, LTI, HCL, L&T Technology, almost all the Indian IT stocks are on a rally today. And over here, if I may just show you guys the charts, as you can see, TCS just erased all the previous downfalls that it had made in just one big engulfing candle. And this is not just the case in TCS, as you can see in Techem as well, which is about to hit high, and we have Wipro trying to make a breakout of this very beautiful cup and holder pattern. And then we have HCL Tech, which is also, again, as you may see, trying to hit another all straight near the resistance. Same with LT, Birlasoft and LTTS as well. As you may notice, both fundamentally and technically IT stocks are going through a sectoral rotation, and it is clearly looking very bullish, especially for the day. And over here I have SBI, which is today's top gainer for the day, and I have mentioned this in my previous videos as well. Sometimes whenever foreign investment banking companies like Jefferies or CLSA comes out with a report, that has a huge impact on these companies, because whenever these investment banking give either a buy or a sell rating, a huge inflow or outflow of money happens from foreign portfolio investors or foreign direct investments as well. We notice today they gave a call on SBI saying there's at least 29% of upside is still possible because of their very stable asset quality. We saw a 5% gain in the stock, and this is something that happens on a daily basis. We notice Jefferies or CLSA coming up with a report, and there's a huge inflow of funds. And next off, I have Raj Industries, which has gone up by almost 14% today, and this comes after they posted their quarterly results in September. After their CEO basically mentioned that their revenue might almost triple by the 2030, and they have given series of fundamental analysis on their investment rate, which has clearly been a happy news for the investors, I suppose, because it has gone up almost 14%, trading at around near to 500 rupees. So as we can see, apparently they are now eyeing opportunities in multiple sectors, like sustainable aviation fuel and biopolymers and energy transitions. And next off, we have NTPC's newest IPO. Right, it has been subscribed by almost 3.21 times by the retail portion. So if you have applied for NTPC's IPO, well, let me know down below in the comment section what are your views. Did you apply for it? And over here I have one of the top losers for the day. There were very less stocks which were trading in red today, because after a pretty big down days, was super bullish for the day. But still, we noticed that Adani Green and Adani Energy were down by 7 and 7% each. So basically, the move comes after the Kenya government basically has withdrawn, or basically they've just cancelled some sort of a deal that was going on for power transmission. And this comes after Gautam Adani and a few other CEOs were basically indicted in US for bribery case that was happening in India. So it is very important to see. I'm very curious to actually know what will transpire in this particular case. But yeah, but just for today though, especially other Adani related energy stocks have taken a hit because Kenya has clearly cancelled their deal, and who knows what will happen in the future.